In this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how I turned DeepSeek AI into a trading powerhouse that outperformed 99% of professional traders. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from setting up the AI to creating the trading rules, connecting it to a broker, and the exact settings that generated over 700% profits. But before I show you how to build this yourself, let me prove this actually works. Here's a live look at the trading account, where you can see every single trade the AI made. Now I need to be completely transparent. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. The market conditions during my test period were trending, which definitely helped our results. When markets consolidate, even AI struggles. That's why I've built in special safeguards that I'll show you later in this video. By the way, for those of you who've been asking about the indicators I use for my manual trading, I've been testing the Aquí indicator on TradingView for the past few months. It's been surprisingly helpful for spotting profitable entries that I might have missed. What I appreciate about it is how it combines several analysis tools in one interface. Saves me from switching between multiple indicators. It shows market structure, identifies key levels, and even suggests entry points with stop loss and take profit zones. It's especially useful on the 4-hour and daily charts where the signals tend to be more reliable. Anyway, just thought I'd mention it since many of you asked. Now back to our DeepSeek AI trading system. Alright, let's kick things off by opening up our TradingView charts. I've selected the Solana price chart as an example, but it doesn't really matter what asset you trade. The strategies I'm about to build work perfectly well for crypto, as well as for stocks and Forex. For the first strategy, I will select the 15-minute time frame. Since this strategy is indicator-based, let's open the search bar and type the reversal trade detector. Select this tool right here. At first, this tool might look very simple. You might notice that some of these signals are not so accurate. But don't worry, I'll show you how to cancel 90% of these fake entries. Before I do that, let's quickly learn why I selected this tool in the first place. At its core, this indicator identifies potential reversal points in the market by detecting change of character and price inducements. Yes, I'm talking smart money concepts. For those who are not familiar, here's how the things work. Chart or change of character is detected when the price breaks through key structural levels, suggesting a possible shift in market direction. This helps identify when the overall market structure is changing. For example, in a downtrend, the price makes lower lows and lower highs. When the sentiment changes, a shift occurs and the price breaks above the previous major lower high. This move is marked as a change of character, hence an early warning of a trend reversal. The inducement component, on the other hand, focuses on specific counter-trend price movements that often induce traders into poor positions before reversals. By identifying these inducement moves, the indicator spots potential reversal zones with greater precision. Now, once we understand the key features of this indicator, let's proceed to building a profitable strategy around it. To do this, let's open up DeepSeek. This AI is seriously mind-blowing for what we're about to do. Next step, let's open the Pine editor and grab that indicator script. The idea is to provide AI with the indicator's logic and calculations so that it optimizes it and builds a profitable strategy around it. Watch this. I'm asking DeepSeek to analyze the indicator script and suggest a highly profitable strategy for the 15-minute Solana chart based on its features. I'm also asking it to incorporate volume, trend, and RSI filters to cancel inaccurate signals. The stop loss and take profit levels should be based on ATR value. Once I'm done with the prompt, I'm pasting the copied script into the message. Look at DeepSeek Go. It's breaking down the indicator components and suggesting a complete strategy with the most accurate conditions for buying and selling. It then transforms the strategy into a complex Pine script. Now I'm copying this custom code, going back to TradingView and opening a new strategy Pine script, clearing out the default code and pasting in our new algorithm. Before, you would need to hire professional strategy developers and pay hundreds, if not thousands of dollars for such work. Now it's all free. Let's add the strategy to the chart and see what we've got. Looks like we've got a small error there. No problem, that's part of the process. I'll just ask DeepSeek to fix this issue. It immediately fixes the problem and gives me an updated script. If the issue persists, keep addressing it until no errors pop up. Okay, let's add the updated version to the chart. Looks like there is no back-tested data. This is because in the strategy inputs, the signal filters are enabled all at the same time. Let's tweak the settings to find a perfect balance between signal frequency and accuracy. By the way, I'll be dropping the link to this exact strategy in the description below so you can apply it to your own trading. Just add it to your favorites and change the settings the way I'm doing right now. First things first, change the Church detector period from 50 to 48. Set the ATR multiplier for both stop loss and take profit to 3.5. This way the price will have more room to breathe. Disable the volume and the RSI filters. Set the EMA period for trend filter to 39. That's it. Let's check out the performance stats to see what we've got. The winning ratio of this thing is 72%. The profit factor is 3.2 and the total profit generated is 110%, which is fantastic for this time frame, given that the maximum drawdown is only 6%. Here's the total list of trades, which, by the way, the strategy generated within 4 months. As you can see, the winning streaks are massive. You can follow these signals for a while on a demo account, and if you're happy with the results, well, go ahead and print money. However, if you want to fully automate this strategy into a bot that will be taking trades 24/7, here's how to do it in a few simple steps. First, open the strategy's properties and set your account balance and desired position size based on your risk tolerance. Create a free 3 commas account. I'll leave a link in the description. Head over to my portfolio and connect your crypto exchange or wallet. I'll leave some of the best exchanges in the description too. Once the account is connected, go to Signal Bot and select the TradingView strategy. Copy this webhook URL. Return to TradingView, create an alert for your strategy, and paste the copied link here. Proceed to the next step, which is to choose your exchange, trading pair, and the investment amount for the bot to trade with. The final step is to copy this webhook message and paste it into this window. Once you're done, click on Create Alert and activate your bot on 3 commas. That's it. Now you can sit back and watch your portfolio grow, but don't click away just yet. If you think this 15-minute strategy is impressive, wait until you see the 4-hour strategy I've developed with DeepSeek. This one will truly blow your mind. I'm talking about a powerful trend-following system that's generated over 700% profit. To start with, I'm heading back to the indicators search and looking for support resistance plus trend lines. This indicator is absolutely perfect for what we are about to create on the 4-hour time frame. At its foundation, this indicator automatically identifies and plots 2 key elements: dynamic trend lines based on pivot points and horizontal support and resistance levels based on historical price action. This dual approach allows you to observe both the directional flow of the market and the key levels where price tends to react. A notable feature of this indicator is its ability to detect trend line breakouts. When price crosses above a downtrend line or below an uptrend line, it signals a potential shift in market direction. Perfect for capturing major trend changes on the 4-hour time frame. Similarly, it highlights when price breaks through established support or resistance levels, often signaling the beginning of new trends. These signals are exactly what we need in our custom strategy. So let's open DeepSeek again, our secret weapon for this transformation. I'm jumping into the Pine editor, again to grab the indicator source code. I'm asking AI to analyze this support, resistance, and trend line indicator, specifically for the 4-hour Solana chart. I'm requesting a highly profitable swing trading strategy that captures those major trend changes precisely when the odds are in our favor. I'm also asking it to incorporate various signal filters so that we maximize the winning ratio. Boom! Look at how detailed DeepSeek's analysis is. It's identifying the perfect entry and exit conditions based on trend line breakouts and key level violations that most traders would miss. Let's copy this code, open a fresh strategy script, wipe the default code, and paste in our custom swing trading algorithm. Let's add the strategy to the chart and dial in these specific settings to maximize our winning ratio. I'll drop the link to this script in the video description too. Add it to your favorites and copy these exact settings. What's crazy is that DeepSeek implemented multiple trend filters like Supertrend, EMAs, MACD, and even ADX to ensure we're only trading in the direction of the strongest trends. Slow down the video if needed so that you don't miss anything. One wrong parameter will result in totally different results. So take your time on this one. You can also try finding the perfect settings that suit your trading style. Check out these performance stats. The win rate is over 60%, and the profit curve is beautifully consistent, showing over 700% returns. However, If you're concerned about this 18% drawdown, no problem. Just decrease the risk per trade to 10 or 20% and you'll be much safer. And there you have it. 2 professional-grade trading strategies created in minutes that would normally cost thousands to develop. I can't believe I'm giving this away for free, but if you found value in this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more trading breakthroughs. Drop a comment if you have questions about implementing these strategies in your own trading. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.